want a snack.
Let's see, what should I get? Ooh, gum.
Hey, what are you doing? Check it out, guys. What do y'all think of the brand new outfit? It's kind of like a jumpsuit. Would you go for the gum? Good thing you didn't go for the Lays.
Hey.
You guys like the new outfit? The new, what is this? Is this a jumpsuit? Not really, right? It's just a hoodie. It looks pretty cool though. Like, look at this, guys. It has, we got some chips, we got some chocolate bars, Skittles. Don't look in this area over here, just know it's Doritos. Some of you guys might be like, oh my god, what is he wearing? No, but for like, honestly, do I look funny or do I look cool?
You look funny looking. I mean, it looks cool, but then again, it's like, what are you wearing?
Okay, look, let me put my hoodie on. I'm gonna blend in more. Look at this.
Does it fit your big head?
What about now? Would you be embarrassed if I go out in public like this with you? Like, what if we go to Walmart? Would you be embarrassed? Like, oh, that's not my boyfriend.
No.
You wouldn't care?
No.
What if we go later? Walmart. Just walk around.
Let's go.
I'm gonna be kind of nervous because people are gonna be staring. Like, they're gonna be like, oh, look at him. But anyways, before we get into the video, comment down below, what do you guys think of the outfit? I was actually thinking of making this into merch, but I don't know if people will buy this because it looks kind of dumb. But at the same time, like I said, I think it's cool. So let me know down below, what do you guys think? If there was some shoes, trust me, I would have got that too. But there wasn't any shoes. There was just the hoodie and the sweatpants.
You're crazy.
I would have got the shoes though. Alright, I can't stop looking at myself. Like, look at me. I'm a snack. I'm actually a snack this time. You like it?
You have to stop saying that.
Why?
Only I can say that.
Yeah, everyone watching right now, do not comment that I look like a snack, even if I am a snack. She does go through every single comment, so she's gonna get mad. Anyways, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope every single one of you is having a great day, because today we got some bad news. Like, we actually got some pretty bad news this time. You guys saw the title, and I mean, basically the last 5 months of me making videos on YouTube, I was hoping that I would never ever have to make this video, but that day has finally come. I actually can't believe I'm saying it, but yes, it is true. Somebody broke into one of our vending machine locations. Can you believe that? Like, who would? The best, not the best part. The worst part about this, whoever broke into our location, that person is actually somebody that watches the videos.
Wait, did they steal your machine?
Yeah, they took the machine.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they took it.
Bruh.
I mean, look, I know it sounds kind of crazy, but it's not as bad as it sounds, just because it's not one of our snack machines, it's not one of our soda machines, which is good, because those are pretty expensive, and it'll be pretty hard if somebody steals a soda machine. Can you imagine? Like, you gotta take a truck, you gotta take a trailer, you gotta take a dolly.
Doesn't it like take time?
Yeah, it takes a long time. If you guys saw a video we posted like a month and a half ago, I think it was a month ago. When did we buy the candy machines on location? It was like a month ago, right?
Yeah, though.
If you guys saw that video, we went out, we bought some candy machines on location. We went to a few of those machines to go fill up the machines. You know, we put more Skittles, more gumballs, more, what else did we put? Like M&Ms and stuff. It was actually one of those machines that got broken into. So, I mean, I guess it's not as bad because those machines are only like $100, maybe $150.
Still a lot of money.
Yeah, I mean, it's still bad because, you know, we lost money. Somebody took the machine. But what I'm saying is that at least it's not the bigger machines, you know. This actually all happened like 2 weeks ago. I haven't talked about it in any videos just because I'm not sure if it's actually real or if it's just a prank. So basically 2 or 3 weeks ago, I woke up one morning. It was like, what, 8 in the morning. The guy that sold me those machines, he sent me a message that morning, and it was a screenshot from a message from supposedly the manager from one of those locations. I do still have the messages and the screenshots, so let me pull it up real quick and show you guys exactly what he said. Alright, so here we go. So again, this message is from supposedly the manager. Again, I don't know if it's a prank or if it's real, so I'm gonna keep saying manager. Hi Jaime, this is calling to tell you that our location was broken into and all the money was taken from the register and including your machine. We're sorry, but we can no longer have your machine in our business since you've brought much attention to our business through your YouTube channel. I'm not gonna show the next part just because it is a bit personal, but look, in the end he says, we have video evidence of you showing the shop in numerous videos. Whenever I woke up and I saw that message, my heart dropped. You remember when I told you? It was morning.
You seemed pretty scared.
I was scared. She was watching TV. I came to the living room and I told her, I was like, baby, turn off the machine. I gotta show you something.
The machine?
No, I mean, turn off the TV. I mean, I wasn't scared, but it was like, this is something that has never happened to me before. But in the end, I still think it's a prank. I know you don't think it's a prank. Wait, do you think it is or not?
Not really.
Cause look, when we went to those locations, we went to go make a video, right? To go put the candy in the machines and show everyone what we got. And whenever I posted the video, I accidentally leaked the number of the guy that sold us the machines. He sent me a screenshot of all the calls he was getting from everyone trying to call him. But the second time we went back to that location to put peanuts into the machine, again, I accidentally leaked his number. I think that somebody that watched that video got the number and as a prank texted him, knowing that it was his machines, you know, because his number was on the machine,
yeah,
to get me scared or like something like that, you know. I feel like this whole thing is just a prank. The message starts off with, "Hi Jaime." I've never met the manager before. I've never talked to him. He doesn't know my name. How would the manager know my name? Reason number two, how would the manager again know that I make videos for YouTube? Like I said, I've never met him. He doesn't know my name, and let alone know that I make videos. Imagine if all this is actually true and whoever broke into that location left a note. I broke into this place because I saw Jaime's video, so now you know his name, and he left like my link or something. Like, unless that happened, there's no way. But look, this is the third reason to top it off. In the beginning of the message, he said that they broke into the location and they took the machine. But then at the end of the message, he said, I can go and pick up my machine that day. Like, I thought they took it. I thought they took the machine. Which one is it?
You probably messed up and he meant that they took your money from the machine
But
too.
that also wouldn't make sense. Like, if they broke into the location just to take the money from the machine, it's a candy machine. Like, those machines are made out of metal. It's pretty hard to get into them.
And they're heavy too.
Yeah, they're pretty heavy. Like, it would have been much easier to take the machine. Like I said, it's been about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I haven't gotten any messages, any phone calls about anything. Anyways, I want you to comment down below, what do you guys think I should do? Do I go back to that location? What do you think? Should I go back?
You want to risk it?
Would you say it's my fault if it's true? I don't know if it's true, but would you say it's my fault?
I mean, you didn't send anybody over there.
But still, let me know down below, what do you guys think of the whole situation? But anyways, putting all the bad news aside, today we have some good news, okay? We got some good news. Today, August 1st, marks 1 year since I started my vending machine business. Can you believe that? Like, we've been in business exactly 1 year today, August 1st. Our first location was actually the barbershop where we have the combo machine where we sell milk. That was actually, yeah, it's kind of weird. We sell milk. But that was our first location, August 1st of last year. The year went by so quick. I can't believe it. Like, 1 year already. So basically, to celebrate having our vending machine business for 1 year, right now we're gonna be going out and spend some money on some vending machines. You know, like, if we've been in business for 1 year, let's go give other vendors some money. Alright guys, look, so I completely forgot that I'm wearing this and I feel like people are staring.
I forgot about that too. We should play this machine.
No. Alright, but anyways, as you guys can see right now, we are at Walmart because we got a few special occasions. Today is 1 year and 8 months with my girlfriend. It's National Girlfriend Day. What else? It's 1 year since we started the vending machine business. So I'm gonna see if I can win something for my girlfriend today. You want the pig, right? Oh, it's right there. Baby, I am not gonna get that. Look at it. It's like,
Baby, you gotta have faith.
It's like stuck in there. Let's go to this one. So this one's 25. I can get 4 plays for $1. Alright, here we go. Everyone right now, cross your fingers that I can get my girlfriend this pig because she really wants it. Go, 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 go. Oh, that's so close. That's so close. What if I get it? It didn't even close. You think it's broken? Close. Please, can you close this time? No. Yeah, it doesn't work. Don't worry, baby. I got you with this one. All right?
Okay. What are you getting me?
Let's see. I mean, look. The reason why we actually never go out and play claw machines is because I'm not good at them. Close, 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 close. Close, 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 close. It doesn't. What's up with all these machines? Like, not even having... They don't have any strength at all. Come on, please, for the one time. Just close. Yeah, it's not strong enough, baby. I'm sorry. Alright, let's see if you can win something. Go.
Is that a dinosaur?
How much time you got left? You got 2 seconds. Go, 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 go. Okay, look. You guys can see my girlfriend is not the best at claw machines, but I got you. I told you, we are not gonna leave until I get you something. So close, I picked it up. How much money did I have? Like $10? Right now, I only have 1, $2 left. I spent,
really?
Yeah, I only have $2. I spent that much money on this machine. Here we go. What do you think? Should I get it? Because you guys saw we finally bought the machine that counts the bills, but we don't have one that counts the coins. This is actually the same brand as the bill counter that we have.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it weigh it or how does it count it?
No, you basically put the coins on top and then it puts them in the rolls like by itself.
Oh, that's cool.
Should we get it?
By then it tells you how much you have or just...
Well, it tells you how much you have, but it also rolls it for you. You don't have to put it like one by one.
Yeah.
$40. These we can get at the bank for free, so... Oh, Jaime, why don't you put that back where it goes? Yeah, I've seen a few comments. You think if I go stand right next to the chips, I'll blend in?
Go.
Do I?
You actually do.
Really?
Yeah.
What
Just
about
put the hoodie on. Where's Jaime?
Alright, but anyways guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. They just pulled that out of me?
Yeah, you want some?
Dang, that thing is magical. I'm in love with this hoodie. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If y'all did, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I know this wasn't the most happiest video we've made so far since, you know, we got a location broken into. But again, comment down below, what do you guys think of the whole situation? We might go back to that location to see if my machine is still there. And basically just to see what's up. So again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe if you want to see what happens next. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go follow me because later on today, I will be posting a pretty cool picture with this. I'm not gonna say how it's gonna be, but just know it's gonna be pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully it comes out good. So again, go follow me and also go follow my girlfriend. At the end, she's always like, why don't you put my Instagram too?
That's not true.
Yes, it is. So go follow her as well. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.